All right, welcome back to school. We are going to quickly review how we are going to submit an assignment on Teams because we're going to be using Teams a lot this year. So I'm just going to use our first assignment as the example. You're going to first go into the actual assignment. So I'm under the assignments tab, and for this one, it's day 1 syllabus assignment. The instructions are here, so you're going to read and review the syllabus, which is attached right here. After reading it, you have two options: either respond with a question or write 2 sentences about something that surprised you, stood out to you, excited you, or incited you, any kind of feeling or emotion, and explain why. So then when I attach something, you're actually going to click and open this, review it, and you can download it, print it, however you'd like. The Immersive Reader can help you read it out loud if you're struggling, if you need it to define a word. Use this tool right here. And here it gives you some tips on how you can use the Immersive Reader if you're struggling with reading it. It can say it out loud for you. We're going to exit the Immersive Reader for the purpose of this video. So after you've read and reviewed, then you are going to close that, and it'll give you an option to submit an assignment. You can use a text box, or you can upload a document. So it doesn't really show me as the teacher, and I'm going to demonstrate in class for you, but this is just make sure if there's an attachment, you need to make sure you open these documents right here. And then there's going to be an option that says submit assignment, and then it'll give you a text box where you can type directly in there, or you can attach a Word document or a PowerPoint, anything from your computer, to be honest, or a video. There's ways that you can upload on that, and I'm going to be reviewing that in class. This is just going to be your intro video as to how to submit an assignment. I'm looking forward to seeing you.